What up, gang?
I guess we're back. Free labor again.
Oh, he said it. He said it.
Just don't tell him.
He said it.
Hey, llegó, güey. The first thing he said, hey, pero cóbrale, güey. Le cobras de la otra vez también.
Nah.
Porque yo estaba aquí y te ayudé.
Neta, güey. Be your own homies, güey.
Güey.
Be your own homies, güey, neta.
Güey.
Tell him how much you paid me, güey.
Güey, le pagué 1500, güey.
It's because we go way back, güey.
Nothing, bro.
Tú eres de 2020 para acá, güey. Nah.
2020.
Con 5 años que lo conoce ya. What we doing, no?
Pretty much, we're gonna bag this Z again. You guys have seen it. He took him off because he was gonna sell it. This is the Crash Z. We got fakes. You showed him already?
Nah. My bad, gang.
Ignore the clip.
¿Qué les va a enseñar a ese hombre?
Yeah.
No, it was smashed right here. We fixed it. So now you know.
It's only right.
First thing you gotta do is try to slam it, but we don't do coils. We don't do that gay shit. We bag it. No broke boy shit. But luckily we have pretty much everything we have.
Yeah, I mean the car was bagged already.
Yeah.
Just got to put everything back.
It'll be pretty quick.
Shout out Murijo.
Shout out Muriel. All the way from Fresno.
Yeah. So how long you think? Está diciendo que pagó 1500 y ya no quiere pagar 200 por una Leo, güey. Anda arreglando la mejor el hombre.
Es que, güey, está caro, güey, ahorita, güey. Ahorita, güey, el tariff, güey, está caro.
That's your whip or what?
Pues dicen, no sé si es cierto. Yo nomás quiero saber si el hombre le va a poner un wrap así como azulito. Porque ya, pues, el Murijo le puso un burgundy, está bien pasado de verga, y luego yo, pues, el moradito. Falta el azul y el amarillo.
Tú eres amarillo, güey, el limón.
Pues la caguera agarra morado.
Last truck going in.
We're like an hour in.
All suspensions in. Almost there.
Y este hombre no puede acabar todavía. Malandro, cadena. Ya aprendió a ir a shout out a 559. Allá es la 69. ¿Qué piensas, amigazo?
Que para el tanque necesita un Huawei.
¿Cuánto se lamentó?
Water, güey.
2 hour installs.
2 hours.
Mira, Canelo, si miras esto,
Easy 1800.
anda el guainelo.
2 hours. 2 hours.
¿Eh? 2 hours later. Stupid clean. What do you think, Pop?
Fucking nice, man.
Have action, man. Can't fit on it, ya queda. That shit's hard as fuck.
That shit is wet.
I need one.
Mira todo lo que cobró. Unas papitas.
Unas pipchas. Unas chips y unas pipchas.
Alright, so the car did have the LED reflector lights, but when the accident happened, I think the bracket just broke and I lost one driving. So I ordered some off Amazon. They're like 30-40 bucks, I believe. So everything was already wired, so hopefully it's just plug and play. But I'll let you guys know. But of course they're different. So I'm looking at this. That looks exactly like that. So I'm probably just gonna cut this one and then put this one on here, because it's the same color, so I just gotta trace where everything goes pretty much. And I picked these up from Marketplace for 100 bucks. They're clean though, they're just dirty. It's kind of like spring clean right now. That's why I moved. Okay, so I can't do a tutorial because I already had a harness on, so I'm just tapping into what I already had. But pretty much you need to hook up the yellow cable that you harness comes with to the turn signal on each side. The other one right there, and that's gonna be this one. It's the green cable. Green with wire or just green? And then the red one, you're gonna tap it into this green with white, and there's gonna be this one on this little corner. And then you could put a fuse on it. This one's all fucked up, but it still works. And then this one, don't worry about it, you don't need it. And then turn them on, Chapo. Chapo had to come help me. So it's currently 11 p.m. on a Tuesday, but I'm done though. What do you guys think? Let me turn the lights off so I can show you guys what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Fucking kidding me. Got me fucked up. There you go. Just gotta bang on it a little bit. Something that's pretty cool when you hit your key. Yes, sir. Yeah, gang, so I didn't do much talking on this video, but I technically got my car fixed. Look at this shit. Stupid wet. So I didn't talk much on the other video, but I got my car back like nothing happened. Same car. What do you guys think? I don't even gotta say shit, just look at it. God damn. So I ended up picking up these wheels on Marketplace as well. I actually traded them for the carbon fiber hair that I had on the previous videos. I'm not a big fan, so they were offering me as much as these wheels are worth, so I ended up posting them for trade. So this is how the car's sitting as of right now. God damn. But yeah, guys, huge shout out to my homie Brian, Rolling Fenders, Q50 Boo, whatever you guys want to call him. The homie Limon as well, for pulling up and helping out and being there. The homie YN. We'll probably get videos of his shit too in the channel. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe. We got a lot of plans with the whips. We've been kind of slacking, but we back. I got a new build again, so that's crazy. I'm just there at it. That's crazy work. But yeah, enjoy the cinematics. But yeah, these are stock HR wheels, which in my opinion, they're fucking hard. They look clean. They're fucking expensive now though. Like if you look on Marketplace. And I mentioned these. I got them for $400. I think it's a pretty good steal. They're pretty clean, just a little scratch right here. And then you guys saw I installed those. And yeah. So probably gonna rock it like this for a bit, and then we gotta get some wheels for it. I'm debating what wing to put on. If I should put the red one, not the red one, the one I had on the red one, or the Nismo one, or leave it like that. I do want a fucking Nismo bumper though. B1 Nismo bumper, that's what it's called. I really want it, but then painting it, that's another thing. Caro. But yeah, so I don't know, I like it. It's clean, looks made. Never been in an accident before. Clean title. Just kidding. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe.